Let me show y'all what happens when you put too much boost on the engine. You try to go too fast. Pretend like I'm the ride. Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Just gave y'all a cold start of the Beamer. I can't give y'all one of the G because I just already took the G out of the garage. So that's why you warmed up. Like you got a little walk around. So in today's video, I'm going to be going to the junkyard today and pulling some parts off of a G. One, I need the screws for my windshield wiper motor so I can finish this inside part. I lost the screws to the windshield wiper motor. And I got to get some stuff for the TL to get the windshield wiper to actually spray the water on the windshield. Not gonna be a video too crazy, but we do got to get some stuff done. Got a house full of people right now. Make sure y'all go add me on Snap and on Instagram so y'all can see this stuff earlier. I got a lot of new little short videos on YouTube. Y'all should go follow my TikTok too. But I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna wrap stuff up so we can get to the junkyard, and I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, we just made it to the what this thing called, the junkyard. It just started raining like hard, but it just stopped. So try to get in here real quick and see if they let us in. I don't think they'll let us record, so I'm gonna update you guys when I get inside the place. All right, guys, so had to end up going back home and getting the Beamer anyway because I forgot all of my tools are in the Beamer. So got all the way to the freaking junkyard just to have no tools. So that sucked. Anyways, now we're on the way to the junkyard now, so we'll be there in a bit. All right, guys, so we made it in here. Look at this J-Series. I haven't been in the junkyard in so long. I don't know why I wore a white shirt and good shoes to the fucking junkyard. But first, we're gonna start off with a G because I got a G right here already. I hope that this is the same. Hope that it has the same windshield wiper motor as me. There's only one way to find out though. Sit these down. Pop the fucking hood. I got some gloves too because I ain't feel like getting too dirty. Pop the motherfucking hood real quick. Let me go over here. I see that motherfucker. Damn. I'm gonna have to go back to the car and get a 14.
It is on you.
20,000 crack, 50's on the eye. If I can just crack it loose, I should be good. Oh, I got it loose. With a wrench. Stop playing, little. Ooh, somebody said a bad word. Come on, let's see if it can come off. Come on. Let me close the hood real quick.
There we go.
This hood's gonna be a pain in my ass. Why didn't I bring power tools? Because I don't have any. That's gonna be my next investment. I'll be on power drill. Is this shit right here? No. I brought no screwdriver, and I need one. My keys, give me my keys. Ideas right here. You feel me? Get you one of these guys. I took the thing in the courthouse before. You don't need me knowing.
Oh my gosh.
Let me not give y'all bad influences. Comes in handy though.
You're gonna find another G for that screw?
What screw?
The screw that you were looking for?
No, I'm getting it out right now. I gotta take this out because it's under here.
No, because you had said like you needed that screw too. In the beginning.
No, it was just the screw for the wiper.
Oh, okay.
I got one already. I just threw on the other one, but that's why I took off the other wiper. I took that screw.
You don't have to put the hood back on, do you?
God, no. I would never. Watch that be one more. Me like, okay, so this is the stuff we need for the G. Right up. That's a J30 VTEC. I wanna find a TL though, because even though the Acuras and the Hondas have the same setup, I don't know if they have the same routing for that the windshield wipers. And I'd rather just grab the right thing the first time. I don't want to come back for this shit. And it's a Junkyard. Once you buy it, you own it. I don't think there's a return policy. Watch they be way over there somewhere. We fucking found one, guys. We found one, finally. Alright, so what I need from here is the routing, the line for the windshield wiper to spray the water. Where's the windshield wiper motor? Oh, it's right here. Ho. I'm the engine in this bitch. I go fast. E46. Oh shit. Damn. Double win. I ain't even gotta go nowhere. Let me show you what happens when you put too much boost on the engine. You try to go too fast. Pretend like I'm the ride. I almost slipped right there.
Dang, this got wrecked 11-121. Or no, it got here at 11-121.
Damn, I can't use this either. I don't even got the stars for this anyway. This one's broke too.
What'd you need from here?
This fan right here.
Oh. Oh, there was another TL right there too.
Gray one?
Right there.
Damn. That bitch sound good. I want that dyno in it.
Oh, it's about to rain again.
Where's the umbrella? It's a 06.
You don't think it's gonna work?
Yeah. Trying to see what else I can take off of it that you need.
I don't think we need anything else.
Yeah, you need it. Yeah, no good.
Oh, look, the dash is cracked on this one too.
You said you seen another one. Where you seen that?
This one? Oh wait, no. I seen the back, so you know the lights.
Somebody already took those.
Oh, took that too. Ow.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I got most of the stuff I needed. So a guy in one of the guys in here apparently watches my videos, and he just told me that he watches my videos. That's cool, guys. I'm getting around town a little bit more now. That's a good thing. It's always a good thing. The more the merrier. Oh yeah, guys, go add me on TikTok. Y'all should go add me on TikTok. I've been doing a lot of new TikToks now. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, add me on Snap, and add me on TikTok. Because TikTok 10, shout out to your side like TikTok. I'll run away from you right now. Alright guys, we got all of our parts. And the guy who said that he watches my videos, he has an accurate TL. He's one of the ones that saw my TL video with the solenoids or whatever. Oh, that's crazy. I love helping people. Love the support. Now we're going to go to AutoZone because I got to get coolant for this thing. Sorry guys, yeah, I'm a little bit crazy. You guys don't get to see that side of me.
Who is that?
That's a guy.
Oh.
Right there. Alright guys, we'll see you when we get to the AutoZone. Alright y'all, we at AutoZone now. Came to AutoZone to get up. We came to AutoZone to get us some of this coolant right here. We gotta get that blue kind. If it ain't that, I don't want it. If it ain't that, I don't want it.
And then the one in downtown. Yeah, we do.
You do?
Actually, I think you went in tomorrow. But it's 264. You find it cheaper somewhere else. But if you were to just go with this, where it connects to the bulb, you'd be looking at 88.
Here we are with our nice coolants for the boolant. Just because why not? Look at that. That's how you know you've been leaking a lot when you got that in there. I screw my blader. Let it spit out as much of that water as it wants to spit out. I need at least a gallon of it to come out, so I'm gonna just let it spit as much of it out as it can. All right, so I got the top off now, and I know a whole gallon didn't come out of here yet, so I'm gonna take off the side hose on the side right here. I know it's gonna spit out a bunch of coolant. Yeah, that's what we want right there. We want that much to come out. Like about a gallon. What's your take on it?
Yeah.
See if it spits more out.
I am. No. Yeah. Yeah.
back on. Not even blue yet?
Sleeping.
It's not even blue yet though, is it? It's water, right?
Yeah.
I ain't stopping till that bitch start dripping Kool-Aid.
Still water.
Oh, you stupid bitch. Get in and start it up. Alright guys, so we got the coolant in. I didn't get to put the whole gallon in, but that sucks. I really want to put that whole gallon in here. I was not about to take that thing apart again. No way. So the car should be fine anyway. I'm gonna take it for a little spin, test drive it. Chill out in here. Alright, we'll see y'all when we get home. Alright guys, so it is dark now obviously because time is fucking stupid right now and it gets dark early as hell. Made it back home, got back in the TL. I actually just did this in the dark, so I didn't get to film it because obviously it's dark. Can't see anything. But I did get the TL's windshield wipers to work. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh shoot, I'm stupid, the wrong one. Yeah, we got the water to spray up there now. So just glad that that's fixed. Mine can come later. I'll do the G another day. Probably for another video. I just want to show you guys that before I end the video, so it won't look like such a blank trip video or whatever. G's right here, sitting outside chilling, and it's raining also. Stupid rain just started going on. So I guess in another video, I'll let you guys watch me put those screws back inside the windshield wiper motor and get this thing finished up. That's probably like one of the last things I need to do with the G. That way I can put all the pieces back to, so as you can see right there, there's no, it just sees right to my motor. It's supposed to have this right there. It doesn't have that over there. It's like one of the biggest things I got to do, the last things I got to do. And then finish up a couple things on the inside, like that little piece, the little grill that goes right there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, please. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys want to see next. Beamer's right here. As always, go add me on my socials. And again, let me know what y'all want to see next. That's it for this video. Once again, I'll catch y'all on the next one.